Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade Nutella truffles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of Nutella, about 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for dusting. Make sure your Nutella is at room temperature. This makes it much easier to work with. Having everything ready before you start ensures a smooth and enjoyable truffle making experience. Let's get started on these delicious treats. Now, let's combine our main ingredients. In a medium bowl, add your room temperature Nutella and gradually incorporate the powdered sugar. Mix these together using a spatula or your hands until a firm, pliable dough forms. It should be easy to handle but not sticky. Once well combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the mixture for at least 1 hour. This chilling step is crucial for making the truffles easy to roll and shape later on. Patience is key for perfect truffles. After chilling, it's time for the fun part, rolling the truffles. Take the mixture out of the refrigerator. Using a small spoon or a mini ice cream scoop, portion out small amounts. Roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, bite-sized balls. Aim for a consistent size, about 1 inch in diameter. Finally, gently roll each truffle in a shallow dish of cocoa powder until fully coated. This adds a beautiful finish and enhances the chocolate flavor. They're almost ready to enjoy. Your homemade Nutella truffles are now complete and ready to be enjoyed. Arrange them beautifully on a serving platter for your guests, or simply treat yourself. For optimal freshness, store any leftover truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They are a delightful treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy indulging.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.